Rise, woman, rise. Rise, woman, rise. We are the ones we've been waiting for. Ngumfazi insika yendlu ka-Afrika. Remember, you are the lioness.
And I'll rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
This is my first Women's Month activity where I have seen so many women. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
We need to get to a point as women where we work together to create change in all these various industries.
If you teach a man to farm, his family will eat. But if you teach a woman to farm, a community will eat.
Be very deliberate in saying, this is what I want, this is how I want it, and this is what I will give you in return for what I'm given.
Be clear about what you want.
Don't be afraid to start small, you know?
If not you, then who? At times, we are expecting more of others than we expect of ourselves.
It's less about fear and more about courage, because you will be afraid, but do it afraid.
EmpowaWomen is bringing something that has been missing.
Get up, wipe out the dust, stand tall. There is nothing small about being from the South. We are as good as it comes. There's no success in the world without your input. No one can stop you.
Thank you so much, team, for the sleepless nights. Thank you for the hard work and for the dedication.
You do not have the luxury to feel pity for yourself. Take charge of our lives and make this country a better country to live in.
It's going to be great conversations because each stage will have a panel of industry leaders.
The EmpowaWomen Leadership Summit in Johannesburg aims to inspire change by providing spaces for women to connect, learn, and amplify their voices.
I will rise 1,000 times again, and we'll rise up. I like the waves. We'll rise up in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again.
Go and lead us in the world. Thank you.